welcome back to another episode of War Thunder, and today we're playing War Thunder. No, sorry, not War Thunder. Oh my god, that was the last one that we played. Okay, World of Warships, sorry. So, yeah, hopefully I won't explode like all the other times. Registration. Single account, common economy, unique, okay, join unique. Let's just close that. Get this tomorrow. Oh, if I do this for 3 whole days, then I get a ship commander and the Charleston. Nice. Okay, back to port. Let's see, this is the new ship that we got. Oh, it has double turrets. Check that out, double turrets. Okay, let's go. Do better. Okay, we are waiting for about... Oh, that took 6 seconds. Just like it said, 6 seconds. Right there. Let's see what they got. Okay, they have terrible AA defense. Not very good stability. Maneuverability is pretty good. Okay. Let's go. Now tell me, what flag is that? Because I have... Tell me, what kind of flag is that? Because I have no idea. Is that like...
Battle starts.
Okay, let's go. Check this out, ready? Okay, we're not gonna try and shoot our enemies, just... Oh, yes, yes. What the? I guess he's looking at me. One of those guys. Or should we do this in the front camera? This would be cool. Okay, we're going at full. Autopilot. So let's see, that's me. We have to get it to there.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Disabled, good. Where are you? Oh, there they are. Okay. Okay, we're gonna pull an illegal U-turn. Watch this. Oh, come on, there's some... Okay. I am not of the smartest today. Let's see. I can't get too many of them. Oh, cool. Check that out, it's the back guy. It's the back. Hit him. Nice. I hit him.
Our team has taken the lead.
Okay, now I really need to look where I'm going. Oh, we got something there. I hope that wasn't one of them. Oh, nice, hit him. Freed up guns. Oh! Big explosion.
Our victory is in sight.
It is, you are correct. Dismembered, boys. gotta constantly look around. Gotta be vigilant. Let's see. I think I want to be right there.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Okay, and we sit back and relax. So yeah, as I was saying, in a couple episodes ago, my brother will be doing this. Also, be what the? Something just shot over me. What was it? Oh, look, that. Okay.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Okay, and let's see if we should okay. Yes! We do it! Victory! Yes! Let's see, battle on. Okay, we're waiting for another battle. So, like and subscribe to the video. I should have actually saved that to the end. Okay. Cruisers, battleships, aircraft carriers, destroyers. Okay, let's go. Okay, islands. Let's see, we're doing it. Islands. Let's see, cool. The Erie ship. Huh. I have the Hermel too. There's like 3 people that have the Hermel. 4 people. Okay, let's go. Do this with the forward view.
Action stations.
Action.
Everyone.
Thank you, I take your luck. Might be a little bit longer video, but still, we'll go until I die. Autopilot map. That's where I am, and I need to go around this to here.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Nope. Okay, here, you know what?
Autopilot mode disabled.
Good, I don't exactly want it. Oh, somebody sees someone. I can't see him yet. What the? Holy crap. Back up, I need. Okay, we need to double our pushing me! Stop pushing me! Okay, thank you.
Destroyed an enemy cruiser. Our team has taken the lead.
Good, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die. Yeah, my ship is charged. One. Come on, I need the other one, need the other one, need the other one. Come on, I want to make this warship go explode again. Yes!
Enemy cruiser foundered. Our victory.
Sure. Okay, let's try and hit the engine room. Oh, dang. Well, this was an extra long episode. I destroyed 2 ships. I normally don't do that. I normally help. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, and goodbye.